Hello, my name is Tanya, and today I'll be talking about galactic mergers. Mergers seem to be part of the natural evolution of galaxies. So, what happens to a galaxy when it collides with another? Well, galaxies are structures that contain lots of stars, gas, and dust, as well as dark matter. And as they approach and eventually collide, all that matter interacts gravitationally, changing the shape of the galaxy as well as the orbits of the stars. It is very rare for stars to collide head on because of the vast distance between them, but some might be swung out of the new galaxy altogether. So, what about our galaxy? Will it merge with another galaxy? The answer is that it already has. Different lines of inquiry support that our galaxy today is the result of at least one large merger in the past. But it's also happening now. Andromeda, at 2.5 million light years away from us, is the largest galaxy in our local group, and it's a spiral galaxy containing a trillion stars. The Milky Way and Andromeda are approaching each other at an estimated speed of about 110 kilometers per second. Currently, Andromeda looks like a smudge in the sky, but in about 2 billion years it will be impossible to miss. As Andromeda comes closer and closer to us, it will occupy most of the sky, and in about 3.85 billion years, the sky will be bright with star-forming pockets triggered by the collision of gas between the two galaxies. In 4 billion years, the sky will show the stretching and warping of the galaxies as the material in the spiral arms of both galaxies continue to merge. Another billion years will go by before the bright cores of each galaxy start to merge, including the supermassive black holes at their center. The whole process is expected to complete in about 7 billion years, and by then, the new galaxy will look very different, most likely taking the shape of an elliptical galaxy, a type of galaxy that looks more like a diffuse cloud of stars. Thank you for joining us today.